Okay. Now we've had a couple of false alarms, a couple of fireworks going off early, but I think this is getting towards the main part now. There's, whoa, is that 9, 8, 7, 6. No, it's, oh, there we go. And I missed it! It's pretty. People I've never met before.
Hey, what up, man? I'd like to say thanks. Hi, Mum. Hi, Mum. I think they should bring back Veronica's Closet. Yeah, cheers.
Ooh, curly whirly. It smells like hot dogs now. I wonder if anybody's watching this all the way to the end.
Look over there, man.
Oh, no.
Yeah, man. We made City look like punks, man.
I think that's it. Oh.
No.
Now it's it. I think. Now it's this year. Formerly known as next year.
Man.
Oh,
Happy New Year, pun. Hey man, Happy New Year. Oh man, I really like you. How good was that, man? It was amazing, wasn't it?
sweet. That was some sweet fireworks.
Yeah, man, that was some...
Hang on, wait a second, I'll light you.
Yeah, man. That shit was sicker than AIDS, man. And no, like, you know, like...
Oh, I don't know how sick that is.
I can only assume.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
But honestly, like, it's the end of 10 years, man.
Yeah, well, that's another decade.
Another decade.
I feel older.
I thought the fireworks tonight were better than the Sydney Olympics.
Yeah, but everything is better than the Sydney Olympics. Yeah. Here's the tram I'm trying to get now. That's another full tram. But this is an empty tram. Let's see if my plan works this time. It worked last year. And it's probably going to work this year. And I'm waiting. I'll cut this bit out. Which means I won't. Because you hear this. If you're hearing this, I didn't leave it out. Well, there's people on this tram, but there are also spare seats, and it smells like poo. But that means I get a seat, and it's got windows that are open, so I'll just open them a bit more if I need to breathe. Mission accomplished. I've got a seat.